As I mentioned in the last class, the sphenoid articulation of the sphenoid, learning the articulation of the sphenoid will help you master all the bones of the skull, because sphenoid articulates with almost all bones in the skull. So here you can see the sphenoid bone from superior view. What you see here is the cranial fossas. So the superior view of the sphenoid, it appears like the bat with its wings spread out. The center you have the body and the wings are spread out. Now look at this. The sphenoid is articulating with the lesser wing of the sphenoid is articulating in front with the frontal bone, the orbital plate of the frontal bone or the roof of the orbit. In the center, the roof of the nasal cavity formed by the ethmoid bone. So this is in front, and on laterally you have the squamous and petrous part of the temporal bone is articulating with the wings, the greater wing of the sphenoid, while the posterior part and a little bit here in the greater wing, a part is also articulating here with the parietal bone. Now the posterior surface of the body is articulating with the basi-occipital or the occipital bone. So this many bones you can see from the base or the cranial fossa. Now let us view a different view. So this is the lateral view where the zygomatic bone has been cut, lateral view of the skull where the zygomatic bone has been cut, as you can see here. So that exposes the body of the maxilla. You can see the body of the maxilla here. All right. So just behind that you can see the lateral pterygoid plate of the sphenoid bone. Okay. So the lateral pterygoid plate of the sphenoid bone is articulating with maxilla. All right. Now let us have another view. This view is a sagittal section of the skull, is seen from inside. So in the inside view, again the green part is the sphenoid bone, and this is the medial pterygoid plate of the sphenoid bone. Now here there is the vertical part of the palatine bone, vertical plate of the palatine bone. So medially the medial pterygoid plate is articulating with the palatine bone, while laterally the lateral pterygoid plate is articulating with the maxilla. So this is how this area, we call it as a pterygo-palato-maxillary fossa here. All right. So I just told you all this just to make you aware that sphenoid bone is articulating with so many bones. So the next class we will discuss about sphenoid bone. Thank you.